What if I told you that everything you've been told about building muscle is wrong? That you don't need a gym, weights, or fancy equipment to get ripped? And that most people waste years doing useless workouts while you could transform your body in just weeks? I went from skinny to shredded right in my living room, and today, I'm revealing the exact system that worked for me. No excuses, no BS, just science-backed muscle growth, starting now. Newsflash, you don't need to bench press a car to get big. In fact, most gym rats are overcomplicating it, while you can get better results with just your body weight. Shocking? Maybe. True? Absolutely. Muscle grows from tension, not equipment. And if you're not using these 3 key principles, you're leaving gains on the table. Stick around, because in 60 seconds, I'll show you how to apply these, no weights required. Forget push-ups and sit-ups. We're going deep. These are the only 5 exercises you need to target every muscle group, and yes, they're harder than they look. Wait, did I just say bodyweight rows using a table? Yep, and your kitchen counter is about to become your new best friend. Here's the secret. Modify these moves to match your level. Can't do a pistol squat? Use a chair. Struggling with push-ups? Elevate your hands. The key? Progress. Asterisk, ready for the ultimate test? This 30-day plan will force your muscles to grow, even if you've failed before. Warning, by day 14, you'll either hate me or love your reflection. And trust me, the pain is worth it. You can't outtrain a bad diet. Eat like this to maximize gains, even on a budget. No, you don't need to live on chicken and broccoli. But yes, you do need to eat more than pizza. Balance. People, look, building muscle at home isn't easy, but it's simple. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Start today. Prove to yourself what you're capable of. Want to take this further? Check out my next video on building a healthy lifestyle that lasts. Click the screen now.